The Silver 2001 is a machine for those of you that want a good selection of stitches but an affordably priced machine. This lightweight compact machine weighs in at 5.8 kilograms and has a selection of 19 stitches. So the 2001, a mechanical sewing machine, has easy to select stitches. You can see the letters on the top of your screen here. Now you will have two choices of either going into the first menu, which is your straight stitch, zigzag, zigzag for stretch fabric, blind hemming for stretch, blind hemming, mending stitches and a couple of embroidery. And in the second selection we have your stretch fabric stitches that comes under S1, and that will be on the dial at the side of your machine. To choose the stitch is very simple. The stitch selection dial is just on the side, and as you turn the dial, the number or the letter of the stitch comes up in the dial, and that's magnified so it's easy to see. Just under here you have your reversing button. Now as you come over to the needle, even of a machine of this price point, we're going to give you the needle threader, which is really important. We've got snap-on feet. Every single silver machine has a metal internal frame, and every machine has been tested for quality. So when you get this machine home, there will be a test strip of fabric, as there is with all silver machines, just to show that the stitches have been tested and are incredibly precise. Now the feet that are included is your regular zigzag foot, which will be on the machine when you get it home. We're going to give you a darning plate, and this clips over the feed dogs, which are the teeth that draw the fabric through, which means that you can freehand embroider or sew buttons on with the machine. Talking of sewing on buttons, we give you a foot to sew buttons on with, and then of course there's your zipper foot and your buttonhole foot, as you would expect to find on any sewing machine, your tools, spare bobbins, and there's even a seam guide to help you sew in a straight line. That's perfect for beginners. And to sew could not be easier. You place your fabric underneath. I'm going to put my foot down, and I'm on just a zigzag stitch at the moment, but this would be perfect for a plique or any kind of design or even mending a gap, and I put my foot down. Now every one of these machines has been tested. When you get your machine home, there will be a test strip of fabric underneath there, and the bobbin may even be loaded, which means that it's been tested for precision and for accuracy. Every one of the silver machines we bring you has an internal metal frame, so you know that it's robust and you know that it's sturdy. It's very easy to change the stitches, it's very easy to change the speed, and even for a beginner you know that you've got precision sewing every single time. So you have a durable sewing machine for those of you that want a good, sturdy, everyday sewing machine for your home.